It's a case of lawyers giving different legal interpretations on the same issue. Their views on whether the government should provide legal aid for state officers named in the Ocampo list are worlds apart.
It is a bad decision. It's illegal. It's unconstitutional.
Acting within the course, acting within the course of your employment, then your employer is under obligation to help you.
You cannot use superior orders as a defense against a crime. That is, if you send me to go and kill somebody, I'm afraid if I kill that person, the fact that you are my boss and you authorized me to go and kill him is not a defense. All that would happen is that both of us would be prosecuted.
The Attorney General is said to have written to the Finance Minister, who is also named in the infamous Ocampo list, to release funds to assist in meeting legal costs that may be incurred by the head of Civil Service, Ambassador Francis Mudavadi, and former Police Commissioner, now Postmaster General Hussein Ali, at the International Criminal Court.
To make matters worse, can you really say that if a rape is committed in Kenya, that rape is committed by the people of Kenya? Is it committed by the taxpayers of Kenya, to the extent that you have to use their taxes for that defense?
Hii maneno ya kwenda Hague ni very expensive. Mtu anaweza kuuza kila kitu, anawacha fukara.
Deputy Premier Musalia Mudavadi and the Justice Minister say they were taken aback by the Vice President's remarks that the Cabinet had approved the release of funds said to be in the excess of 4.7 billion shillings as possible legal aid for Mudavadi and Ali.
Actually, it must have been a meeting I was absent from.
Mutula argues that such a privilege that the Vice President deems befitting to the state officers named is not applicable in this case.
The fact of the matter is that that person must be accused in a Kenyan court, not in a foreign court.
In his opinion, this debate on whether Treasury should release the funds or not is premature.
Whether you are in a Kenyan court or whether you are in the ICC, you can only be entitled to legal aid, and it is called legal aid, only after you are indicted or you are charged with the offense.
While at Ndoinet IDP camp in Kuresoi, where he was distributing food aid, the Vice President said the government was keen to have the Ocampo 6 tried locally.
Mimi kupitia ile nguvu Mwenyezi Mungu amenipa na maarifa ambayo amenipa na marafiki ulimwengu huu ambao ametupa, tutafanya kazi mpaka turudishe maneno hapa nyumbani.
Lately, an impression has been created that the government is spearheading efforts to get Kenya out of the ICC process. We wish to state categorically that to the best of our knowledge, particularly those who sit in cabinet, the cabinet has not made any resolution to that effect.
The fact of the matter is, if you repeal it, you are merely committing mass suicide for the Sikhs, because it means whatever tribunal you set up will be inferior to the superior court established under Article 162 of your constitution. That is, the High Court is recognized as a superior court.
For now, Kenyans await the ICC pretrial chamber's verdict on whether the Ocampo 6 will be indicted or not. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Live at 9.